Okay, dear students, now we are seeing about metal tools and weapons. Okay, so previous class we saw the last para, Indus civilization. Okay, ma. So the Indus civilization, also known as the Harappan civilization. Okay, so only recall that previous paragraph. So listen to me, dear students. The Indus civilization, also known as Harappan civilization. Okay, so and this civilization cover an area of over 1.5 million square kilometer in India and Pakistan. Okay, so this and Indus Valley civilizations were very well developed and very pre-planning constructed the towns. Okay, for example, and Mohenjo-daro, the tank called the Great Path at Mohenjo-daro was an important structure. Okay, next to agriculture and animal domestication. So this time Harappan practiced agriculture. They cultivated wheat, barley and various types of millets also. Okay, so these peoples and they adopted a double cropping systems. Okay, so they had knowledge of various animals including elephant, but Harappan peoples did not use horse. Okay, so Harappan peoples did not use horses. Okay, next one, pottery. So Harappans used painted potteries. Harappans used and Harappan peoples maximum used painted pottery. Their potteries have a deep red sleeve and a black paintings. Okay, so the pottery has shapes like dish-on stands, storage jars and couplets. Next S-shaped jars. Next plates, dishes, bowls and pots. Okay, so all the one is very designing, different types of designing here. So that time painted motifs generally noticed on the pottery. Okay, so this potteries and also very beautiful potteries have. Okay, so dear students, now we are seeing about metal tools and weapons. Okay, now we are seeing about metal tools and weapons. The Harappans used set plates. Okay, set plates. So Harappan peoples maximum used set plates, copper object and bone and ivory tools. Okay, so set means and hinds of silica stones. Okay, so this is a hind of stones. Okay, and set means silica stones, hind of silica stones plates. So and made of stone plates, copper object and bone and ivory tools. Okay, next one, and Harappans did not possess knowledge about iron. So Harappan peoples and not use it iron. The tools and equipments such as points. Okay, the tools and equipments, and first one, points and shells, needles, fish hooks, razors and weighing pans, mirror and antimony rods were made of bronze. Okay, so Harappan peoples used equipments such as first one, பாயிண்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, அண்ட் கூர்மையான கருவி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், உளி. அதாவது முன்னாடி உள்ளதெல்லாம் காலத்தில் என்ன பண்ணிங்கன்னா உளி யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், நீட் அண்டு நீடில், ஊசி. ஃபிஷ் குக்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் மீன் துண்டில் முட்கள், மீன் பிடிக்கக்கூடிய அந்த முட்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ரேசர்ஸ் அண்டு ரேசர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் நைஃப், ஹைண்ட் ஆஃப் நைஃப்ஸ். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், அந்த வெயிட் பார்க்கக்கூடிய நிறுவை தட்டுகள். ஓகேம்மா. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், மிரர், முகம் பார்க்கக்கூடிய கண்ணாடி. Next one, antimony rods. So antimony rods, and these rods color is and blue and whitish metal. Okay, so rods means and sticks. So that sticks and made of bronze or wood. So antimony rods were made of bronze. Okay, the chisels and made out and rogri shet were used by the Harappans. Okay, so their weapons include arrow, and these weapons include arrows, spears, axial blade, tools and axe. Okay, so their weapons எந்த மாதிரி அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ஈட்டி. ஓகே, first one ambu, arrow. Next one spears means eating. Okay, next one uli, next one கோடரி. இந்த மாதிரி டூல்ஸ் அவங்க ஆக்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, ஹரப்பன் பீப்புள்ஸ் வெப்பன்ஸ் இன்க்ளூட் arrow, spears and crystal plate tools and axe. The bronze image of dancing girl and also image and made of bronze and made of different type of dancing girl. So this time only using bronze made of dancing girl from Mohenjo-daro is just suggestive of the use of last wax process. So last wax process means, so Harappan peoples and also the bronze என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க, மெல்டட் பண்ணி அந்த இமேஜ் மேட் ஆஃப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ bronze melting after made of dancing girl, bronze image of dancing girl from Mohenjo-daro is suggestive of the use of last wax process. Okay, last wax and this is very important and is very developed. Okay, so next one rogri set, and set means already I told, and kind of stones, silica stones. Okay, rogri set refers to the set raw materials collected from. ஸோ இந்த செட் ரா மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் எங்கே வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் பாகிஸ்தான். ஓகே, ஸோ ரோக்ரி செட் refers to the set raw material collected from Rogri in Pakistan. It was used by the Harappan for making plates, and this implement and these tools and also used by the Harappan peoples, and different types of plates, kissels, spears, next one arrows and also made of that time. Okay, and the Harappans used both stones and bronze tools. Okay, the Harappans used both stones, and Harappan peoples maximum used stones and bronze tools, and did not possess knowledge about iron. Okay, so the tools and equipment such as points, kishels, needles, fish hooks, razors and weighing pans, mirrors and antimony rods. So these antimony rods and made of bronze. Okay, so Harappan peoples and maximum Rogri set refers to the set raw material. Okay, so this raw material maximum collected from Rogri in Pakistan. Okay, so this and Harappan people used and both stones and bronze tools. Okay ma, so did not possess knowledge about iron. Okay, thank you.